Hello everyone. It is possible to become rich with low income. You just have to be strategic about it. In this video, we'll show you how to become rich with low income. We help teach people about money, personal finance, and investments. If you're interested in improving your financial future, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. If this video is helpful, start achieving your financial goals today with my 5 easy steps to becoming rich with low income. How to set financial goals. It's no secret that one of the best ways to become rich is to set and achieve financial goals. But if you have a low income, it can seem like an impossible task. Fortunately, there are some strategies you can use to make it happen. Start by evaluating your current financial situation and setting realistic goals. If you're currently in debt, once you have your goals in place, start making a plan to achieve them. If you need to pay off debt, create a budget and make a payment plan. If you need to save money, automate your savings so that it's easy to do. Finally, stay motivated and focused on your goals. This means avoiding unnecessary spending and sticking to your budget or payment plan. It also means staying positive and believing that you can reach your goals even when things get tough. How to save money. Are you tired of being broke? Of always being the one who has to scrimp and save while your friends seem to be living the high life? If you're ready to stop being a financial pathetic, there are a few things you can do to change your money story. It's time to get proactive about your finances and start taking steps to improve your financial situation. While it may not be possible to become rich overnight, there are certainly things you can do to start moving in the right direction. One of the most important things you can do is to start saving money, even if your income is low. There are ways to cut back on expenses and put some money away for a rainy day. Here are a few tips for saving money. Track your spending. The first step to saving money is knowing where your money is going. Grab a notebook and write down every single purchase you make for 1 month. At the end of the month, review your spending and see where you can cut back. Make a budget. Once you know where your money is going, it's time to make a budget. Determine how much money you need for essentials. Investment for beginners. If you're looking to become rich with low income, then investing is a great place to start. However, if you're new to investing, it can be a bit daunting. Here are a few tips for investing for beginners. Start small. You don't need a lot of money to get started in investing. Just start with what you have and grow from there. Be patient. Investing takes time and patience. Don't expect to become rich overnight. It takes years to build up substantial wealth through investing. Educate yourself. Learn about different types of investments and how they work before putting any money into them. This will help you make wiser investment decisions and avoid making costly mistakes. Have a plan. Decide what your goals are for investing, and then develop a plan to reach those goals. Without a plan, it will be more difficult to achieve success with investing. Stay disciplined. Once you have a plan in place, stick to it. Don't let emotions or outside influences dictate your investment decisions. Stay focused on your goals and stay the course. How to make more money. It's no secret that people who have more money tend to be richer than those who don't. But what if you're stuck in a low-income job with little chance of making more money? Is it still possible to become rich? The answer is yes, but it takes a lot of hard work and dedication. Here are some tips on how to make more money and become rich. Even with a low income, get a higher-paying job. If you're stuck in a low-paying job, try to find ways to get a raise or switch to a higher-paying position. It may not be easy, but it's worth it. If you want to become rich, invest your money wisely. One of the best ways to make more money is to invest it wisely. This could include investing in stocks, real estate, or other assets that have the potential to appreciate over time. Start your own business. Another great way to make more money is to start your own business. This can be risky, but if you're dedicated and have a good business idea, it could pay off big time. Be frugal, even if you don't make. Conclusion: if you want to become rich with low income, there are a few things you can do. First, save as much money as possible and invest it in assets, such as real estate or stocks. Second, create multiple streams of income so that you have more than one source of income. Finally, live below your means so that you can save even more money. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to becoming rich with low income. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.